Oh, yeah, get wrecked. What's up, Earth? What's happening? Jesus! Good God! What have I done? Oh my good Jesus, Lord Almighty, oh my God! Mix up some nitroglycerin. Oh! Oh, jeez. We're gonna get through here. Oh! Let's lift this up. Get in there! Shot him. Gotta destroy this building. Go out. No more fire, no more fire, no more fire. We can't get caught. Yeah, no fire. Go down. Too tall. There we go. Get destroyed. Okay, let's get out of here. That was pretty easy, actually. Didn't think that was gonna go so smoothly. Before I leave, get wrecked by the PP Bandit. PP Bandit strikes again. For my closing statement, I'll make sure everyone knows where the PP Bandit is. Bow, 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 bow.